first video. Woohoo! It looks like it's flickering on the screen. I don't know if it actually is. I have the fluorescence on. And if you can hear a little squeak, squeak, squeak in the background, that's the fan. And the sound's playing up on the laptop as well, so I thought I'd just film something that's really unimportant, and if the sound works, great. If it doesn't, well, it doesn't matter. So got a little delivery from Amanda. I don't have containers for all of these ones yet, so they're not getting put in containers, and I thought I'd just have a little bit of a waffle whilst I was putting them in, and you can either watch it or you can just not, because I'm just going to talk about whatever I want. And you don't have to listen if you don't want to, so let me just adjust the microphone a smidgy. Wait, hang on. Oh shit, balls. Alright, there we go, that's better. It's pointing right up at me now. Oh no, it's actually pointing a little, it's going to tip over, I think. Anyway, the fellas in the hardware next door probably think I'm crazy, but you know, I'm kind of used to that. Nothing new. Now I take these out of the bags and put these in little containers purely because it's easier for me. I don't get the little jars that Amanda has because I find they're a little too hard to stack, and I have way too much mica to not stack them. I'll actually well, I can't move the camera, I've just realised. I was going to say I'll move the camera and show you, but I was very jealous of Keely's mica cupboard thing she has behind her when she starts her videos. And I'm like, I need a big mica shelf like that, so over there on the wall I've put up 2 shelves, and now my mica lives on them, so thanks for the inspo, Keely. I appreciate it. Whether or not this video will actually have any sound yet, who knows. Yes. So it's Friday, and I've been in the shop now for, this is the 5th day, and this is a lovely mess, isn't it? And it's going better than I expected, so that's a good thing. But as I was saying to someone, I have pretty low expectations. But I've covered my rent plus, so, you know, I mean, if I can cover the rent, anything else is golden, so that's pretty good. So yeah, and I'm just finding that well, still, because I'm still setting up, because you know it's still going to take another week or so to just get things just right. But I find I have a list at the end of the day. Whatever. Just going everywhere except in the container. Yeah, I have a list every day. That was not 20 grams, Amanda. That was way more than 20 grams, girlfriend. Yeah, I have a list that at the end of the day, and I have to go hunting around home for things like Pyrex dishes so I can melt and pour, and you know, things like that I didn't have down here and still can't find. So I bought one, and they're the most expensive things on the planet. Probably not, that's a slight exaggeration. They're $17 for a Pyrex dish, which, you know, when I already have a half a dozen. I'm getting really sick of having to buy superfluous shit, you know, because I have all these things and then I have to buy them again. Like, I have to buy a new level. Can't find my level. The level has disappeared. And I thought, well, you know, that's fine. When I buy a new one, it'll turn up. But no, it hasn't. It's just disappeared. So I'm loving all these pinks and purples. I've run out of these for so long. Well, I haven't had any yellow for a while. So I've got, yeah, Tuscan Sun, lemon sherbet, and Wellington lemon sherbet is the one that goes orange. Freaks you out, you think your soap's ruined, and then it comes back to yellow, so. But yes. So yeah, so I'm still, as I was saying, I still have to do things when I get home, but it's a lot less. Like, you know, I go home, I look for some stuff, I put it in the van, and then I have some dinner and basically sit and watch YouTube videos until it's time to go to bed. So, I'm missing my cats though, I've got to say. I'm so used to them just being around me day in and day out that not having bugs underfoot is, you know, I thought it would be good to not have him underfoot because he drives me friggin' mental, but turns out I like that. So I had someone say, well, why don't you just bring him down to the shop? And I'm like, I don't know about that. He gets outside and you know, he'll run out in the road because he's old now and stupid, and then he'll die, and we don't need that. There'll be no dying today or any other day. That would be great, thanks. He has to be an immortal cat because he can't die. So I'm not ready for that. I'm never going to be ready for that. And considering that he's 19, you know, and he's got a fair bit of arthritis or something going on in his back legs where he's, you know, he can't jump up on things anymore. Unless he uses his claws and his front legs to pull himself up. You know, he's definitely got some age issues, but he's super healthy. I mean, both of them are. It's probably because I never take them to the vet. I'm not saying that vets make your animals unhealthy. I'm just maybe inferring that overprotecting your cats and getting all those shots and stuff that people get that my cats have never ever had, you know, they've never had anything wrong. The only time either of my cats have been to the vet is when Boogly had to fight with a chicken or rooster, and he got an infected face and it blew up. It blew all the skin off. Oh, it was so gross, guys. It was so gross I didn't even take photos of it. It was that gross. Oh, shite. Absolute shite. This is not, I don't think there's such a thing as neon blue. This is neon blue, but, oh no, that's wasty. Wasn't it? Ew. That's gross. This is a lovely colour, this Capri neon. I really like it just as a colour, not as neon, because it's not neon, not compared to like the whatever other ones, the orange and the pink and the green. It's just, I don't know, blue's just, I don't know, blue's just not a neon colour, is it? I don't know. What would I know? I just work here. I'm sick of getting up every day. I'll tell you that for nothing. Seriously, sick to death of that alarm going off and having to get up at the same time every day. I mean, I'm good with routine because it's better if I stick with a routine. You know, if I tend to eat the same thing every day, but yeah, it's just the alarm. I'm sick to death of it. 5th day in and I'm sick to death of it. Absolutely sick of it. Oh, it's such a lovely gold, isn't it? That's really, that's something that I can't say. Resplendent. This is my flash. I love this flash. I got this more for resin work. I don't tend to use this a lot in soap because it's kind of pointless, because it's it doesn't show up in cold process soap, and I don't do a lot in melt and pour really. And what I do in melt and pour, I tend to colour with liquids. So yeah, so I replaced this because I have plans for that, to do some beach scenes, and I'm going to put that in with my white alcohol ink. get some nice cells and whatnot. So, which I will be filming. That's I'm going to only work until 1 tomorrow on Saturdays. So I thought I might actually stay down here until 4 anyway, and just spend 3 hours soaping because I haven't made a soap this week. So lots of candles, lots of melts, lots of sewing, but no soap. So I thought I might do that tomorrow because I can't soap when there's, you know, a customer's going to walk in the door. It just can't happen. So yeah, so I thought, oh, I want to film it for you guys. I don't want to be, you know, like doing this really rushed job. So I thought, like I said, spend 3 hours down here tomorrow and then go home. Oh wow, doesn't that look awesome? And I've been hoarding my one sleeping pill because I'm back to having sort of, I'm not sleeping badly, but I'm not sleeping as well as I could be, but definitely better than I used to. So yeah, so I have one sleeping pill left. I could have gone and got another prescription long before now, but I have to go over to Amber and I couldn't be bothered doing that anymore. Too far away. It takes about 45 minutes to drive into Amber now, as opposed to 20. But yeah, so I said, oh, Saturday night I'm going to take my last sleeping pill, and I'm just not going to get up until I wake up. No alarms, no nothing. So yeah. Alright, well, I think that's mostly clean. There's still a bit on there. Oh, this thing's too empty. I love me some alcohol. I clean everything with alcohol, even if it doesn't need it. I still use it because I just love that you know how clean it is. The handprint. How cool is that? No, I like knowing things are clean, like super clean. And it gets pretty dusty in here, so I've got louvered windows up the top. So I had the shop door shut all day with a sign saying "come in," and just had all the louvered windows open and the fan on, and it was really cool in here. It was really nice. So yeah. Alright, well, I have got all the footage from the shop at home ready to be edited for you guys. I will hopefully get to that in the next couple of days, because now that I'm going home from the shop and just sort of not having to do a whole great deal. Great, look at this. I'm going to have more time to edit videos, so hopefully we'll get back onto a nice, proper schedule again. I'm sorry that everything's been so sort of all over. Oh my god, really? That lid is not on there at all. Jesus Christ. Yes, I'm sorry the schedule has been so lackluster. I'm just going to stop this video now because this is just crazy, the amount of shit everywhere. What have they got pink on? Oh, I know why they got pink on them. Yes, so like I said, hopefully we'll get back onto a full-time proper schedule, and yeah, you'll be able to watch soaps as they're being released, or I don't know. Just waiting for the man to walk past the shop window so he doesn't see me standing here talking to myself. Obviously I care enough about what people think that I stop talking for a second. Alright, I'm going to finish cleaning this up and I will talk to you all later. Oh, look at this. Bye.